सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार, good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. So today we are going to see the lesson number 4, that is Sangeet Priyagadha book exercise. So in previous lesson I had given the explanation and 2 question and answers I had explained from the book. Today we are going to see remaining another 2 question and answers. After that we'll see the exercise. Okay. At first come children, we'll repeat the classwork of the meanings. Okay. So धोबी, washerman, कमजोर, weak, स्वतंत्रता, freedom, rose, everyday, गीदड़, jackal or fox. In that you can write any one. मूर्ख, foolish, खातिरदारी, hospitality, खुराक, food, मालिक, master, मित्र, friend, सुहावनी, pleasant, बाध्य, helpless, बारिश, rain, सुरीली, melodious. Okay, so these are the meanings. Everyone see and write in your classwork notebook. Next, come we'll see the question and answers. So before that, I gave this one homework for you last time. See and write same words in your book. Next, so 2 question and answers I had given from the book. This one is please consider like as a first question and this one is the second question. So these are the, it is going to become a long answer, so you are unable to read, so that's why one word answer only I am referring here. Okay children. गधे ने किससे मित्रता की? So donkey, with whom he was did the friendship? With the jackal. So jackal in Hindi what we are calling? गीदड़. लोमड़ी also we can call. Here in this lesson they had given गीदड़, so we have to use गीदड़ word only. Okay. गधे ने गीदड़ से मित्रता की. Okay. गांधी ने किससे, सॉरी, गधे ने किससे मित्रता की? गधे ने गीदड़ से मित्रता की. नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन, खीरे के खेत में गधे को क्या करने की सूझी? सो when he is in the form of खीरा, okay, so at the time in his mind something thought it came, no, so he want to do that thing. What this donkey want to do? So this donkey it want to sing a song. Okay, so that one only we have to write. खीरे के खेत में गधे को गाना गाने की बात सूझी. So what is the thought it came in his in donkey's mind? The thought is want to sing a song. Okay children, these are the 2 questions. Everyone repeat with me ma. गधे ने किससे मित्रता की? उत्तर, गधे ने गीदड़ से मित्रता की. वन मोर टाइम. गधे ने किससे मित्रता की? उत्तर, गधे ने गीदड़ से मित्रता की. दूसरा प्रश्न, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, खीरे के खेत में गधे को क्या करने की सूझी? उत्तर, खीरे के खेत में गधे को गाना गाने की बात सूझी. वन मोर टाइम. खीरे के खेत में गधे को क्या करने की सूझी? उत्तर, खीरे के खेत में गधे को गाना गाने की बात सूझी. So these 2 question and answers. After writing the meanings, please write these 2 question and answers. And come we'll see question number 3. गधा और गीदड़ घूमते घूमते कहाँ पहुंच गए? So at first they both met, no, after that they are going during the nights they went for searching the food. So when they are searching at last in which form they had reached? Yes, in cucumber form. खीरा फॉर्म में खीरों के खेत में जाकर पहुंच गए. Okay, that is the answer. उत्तर, गधा और गीदड़ घूमते घूमते हुए वे खीरों के खेत में पहुंच गए. So these 2 are roaming and at last they reached the Kira's farm. Okay, so this is the third question. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, गधे का जी क्या चाहता था. So after eating full of stomach kiras, so this Gadha's mind, otherwise this Gadha's heart, what it want to do? It want to sing a song. So गधे का जी चाहता था कि वे खुलकर गाना गाए. So it want to sing a louder and involvement will be there, like that this donkey thought. Okay children, so these are the remaining two question and answers. So everyone repeat with me. गधा और गीदड़ घूमते घूमते कहाँ पहुँच गए. उत्तर, गधा और गीदड़ घूमते घूमते हुए वे खीरों के खेत में पहुँच गए. वन मोर टाइम, गधा और गीदड़ घूमते घूमते कहाँ पहुँच गए. उत्तर, गधा और गीदड़ घूमते घूमते हुए वे खीरों के खेत में पहुँच गए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गधे का जी क्या चाहता था. उत्तर, गधे का जी चाहता था कि वे खुलकर गाना गाए. वन मोर टाइम, गधे का जी क्या चाहता था. उत्तर, गधे का जी चाहता था कि वे खुलकर गाना गाए. Okay children, so write these 4 question answers in your classwork notebook. Now come, we'll see the exercise of the book, page number 18. In 18 they had given another question, that one is ling badliye, change the gender. Gadha, donkey, masculine. Gadhi, feminine in Hindi, like that only. Bakara, masculine in English, bakri. Dhobi, dhobin. Malik, malkin. You know these things. Okay. Gadha, gadhi. Bakra, bakri. Dhobi, dhobin. Malik, malkin. So like the same way some other words had given in the next page. So we have to change the gender for this also. Okay. More, morni. Peacock, peahen. Like that only. Hiran, hirani. So hiran is the masculine, hirani is the feminine. Okay. Now come, we'll see next one. Hans, hansni. Ladka, you know, ladki. Var, groom. Vadhu, bride. Pita, mata. Like that only. Hathi, hathini. Dada, dadi. Nar, nari. Bhai, bahan. Okay children, so again I am reading. Hans, hansini. Ladka, ladki. Var, vadhu. Pita, mata. हाथी, हथिनी. दादा, दादी. नर, नारी. नर means man, नारी means woman. भाई, बहन. Okay children, see and write. Don't write any spelling mistakes. When you are writing, write with the pencil in your book. Next, भाषा ज्ञान, learn the language. उपसर्ग जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. Join the prefix and write the word in the space given. So what you have to do? Just you have to remove this plus symbol and add and write. A plus dharma, adharma. Like that only. A plus nyay, अन्याय. A plus जीवन, आजीवन. A plus गमन, आगमन. परा plus जय, पराजय. परा plus क्रम, पराक्रम. Like that only. सु plus योग्य, सुयोग्य. सु प्लस पुत्र, सुपुत्र. स्वा प्लस तंत्र, स्वतंत्र. स्वा प्लस भाव. Just we have to add together and write. Okay. अध प्लस पका, अधपका. अध प्लस मरा, अधमरा. वे शब्दांश जो किसी शब्द के आगे जुड़कर उसके अर्थ में विशेषता अथवा परिवर्तन उत्पन्न कर देता है उपसर्ग कहलाता है. What is meant by prefix? So one word will be there. For that, if we are adding front another letter or word at the time, the total meaning it is going to change. So that change of the meaning and that word we are calling prefix word. Okay, children. So this one is a prefix. See and write with a pencil. Next, इनके विलोम शब्द लिखिए. राइट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. गांव विलेज, शहर सिटी, कमजोर वीक, ताकतवर स्ट्रॉन्ग, रात नाइट, दिन डे, स्वतंत्रता इंडिपेंडेंट. हियर वी हैव टू राइट Paratantrata has to write. Here Swatantrata had given. I will correct this one and I will send in the assignment session so you can see and write. Next, Malik, owner. Naukar, maid. Mitra, friend. Shatru, you know this thing, enemy. Gahara. Gahara means that is dark we can say, or otherwise depth also we can say. Uthla, which means upon. Mota, fat, patla, thick, thin will be there, no? That one. Murkh, fool. Gyani, clever. Priya, so dear, apriya. Okay, children, these are the opposite words. Okay, everyone repeat with me, ma. Gaon, शहर, कमजोर, ताकतवर, रात, दिन, स्वतंत्रता, परतंत्रता, मालिक, नौकर, मित्र, शत्रु, गहरा, उथला, मोटा, पतला, मूर्ख, ज्ञानी, प्रिय, अप्रिय. One more time. गांव, शहर, कमजोर, ताकतवर, रात, दिन, स्वतंत्रता, परतंत्रता, मालिक, नौकर, मित्र, शत्रु, गहरा, उथला, मोटा, पतला, मूर्ख, ज्ञानी, प्रिय, अप्रिय. ठीक है बच्चों, everyone see and write these things from the assignment session. I am going to post this exercise in the assignment session. Okay children, so everyone please complete your classwork notebooks and book back exercise also. We'll meet in the next session. In the next session we'll see the another new lesson. Okay, so till the time please do the practice of these opposite words and gender also and question and answers also. Okay, thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों, हम लोग मिलते हैं अगली सेशन में. Thank you. Complete your classwork notebook and book back exercise.